Mr. Oliphant opened the curtain, and I was just blown, mind blown. I was like, this is the thing that I've been waiting for so long.
The second we walked through this door and saw this space, or actually when I saw the look on my girl's face, for me as a dad, incredible.
Now we can live and sing our hearts out, and that's exactly what they're going to do.
This week's rescue brings us to the Orpheum Theater, home of the off-Broadway staple Stomp here in New York City. And trust me, the cast members of this show are not living the glamorous life of the stage. Making a living as performers, these actors are burdened by dark, dingy, and cramped dressing rooms. With strenuous pre-show conditions threatening to take a toll on their performance, Team Stomp wrote into George to the rescue asking for some help. Let's see what we can do. You guys ready? You ready to see the dressing room? All right, well, we got the energy going. Let's check them out.
That's awesome. Oh my God. Yes!
It's really nice to be appreciated and to have somebody do something for you like this. It's pretty amazing. It definitely puts a spring in your step, and it definitely makes me look forward to coming into the theater that much more.
You know, this contributes to the show. It really does. It helps. It boosts the morale, helps everybody feel, you know, comfortable and just like happy to be here.
Harlem's AHRC Fisher Center helps adults living with intellectual and developmental disabilities reach their full potential. And Fisher's dedicated staff create life-enriching programs and services specifically for the people they support. John's art class and Patricia's Soaring Wings Choir have become very popular within the building and the community. These unique creative outlets reflect the Fisher Center's positive and collaborative spirit. Unfortunately, both the art room and the multi-purpose room where the choir class is held do not reflect the programs themselves. The spaces are cramped, uninspired, and not functional. Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, how are you?
My hands were sweaty. I was just shaking. I just couldn't wait.
Are you guys ready?
Yes.
All right.
Oh my God.
Wow. This is not what I expect. Oh, I have one word with 4 syllables. Remarkable. When I first went in, when they showed me the multi-purpose room, my head was down. And then when I looked up, the wings. We are the soaring wings. It literally took my breath away. I usually talk a lot. I am a loss for words.
This is very unusual, everybody.
Yeah, exactly.
Very unusual.
The environment was so horrible. You know, the walls, it was so dreadful, dead. Now, look at this, live. Now we can live and sing our hearts out, and that's exactly what they're going to do.
We got 2 mics here for you. We got like 500 different effects.
No more boombox, because that's what we was using to practice. Now we're going to be better, stronger, and there's no stopping us.
If I could describe what having 17 surgeries is like, I'd call it my own personal normal.
We're here in Merrick, New York to surprise the Mason family, whose very inspiring daughter Rachel has overcome tremendous odds.
Rachel was born with congenital scoliosis and thoracic insufficiency syndrome.
Despite strenuous surgeries and rehab, Rachel has persevered and inspired countless others, myself included. Fortunately, doctors are optimistic that her latest procedure will be her last. A custom music room would help enrich Rachel and Maya's lives and help them pursue their creative dreams together. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome home.
Thank you, thank you.
How you doing? Good. Bring it up. Come on, Hog. I didn't know.
You know what you're getting this way.
I knew I was getting with TJ. All right, you want to see what's behind those windows where there once was a garage?
Yeah.
You guys ready for this?
Can't wait.
Check it out.
Oh my God!
Oh,
my
it.
God!
The second we walked through this door and saw this space, or actually when I saw the look on my girl's face, for me as a dad, incredible. The artwork, the designs, it was a lot for them to absorb.
Oh my God.
Wow.
I was just super excited and I couldn't believe what I was seeing because it was just so beautiful. It was kind of hard to believe that before this was the garage. It's kind of like almost took a second to like visualize.
They got the spot on.
Yeah, they were like really good with it.
It's just amazing how these people had like never met us before, but they knew exactly what we liked. And just looking around here, it's definitely our style.
So Bloomingdale School of Music serves about 650 people every week. We see ourselves as sort of a center for where anyone on the Upper West Side can come and be part of a musical community.
We all support each other and we all play to each other's strengths.
It just like lifts you up and helps you become the best artist you could be.
This life-changing school cannot function without generous support from donors and volunteers, making renovations very challenging. Although Bloomingdale has been able to maintain its historical charm, there are two spaces that need some serious tuning. Without further ado, you guys are all in show business. What do you say?
Let's do
Shall
it.
we?
Yeah. Oh, wow. Wow. I can't even comprehend this. When I first walked into the new space, I was just wowed.
And not just visually, listen, hear it.
Whoa.
Right? The sound.
It looked different, it looked elegant, it looked classy. It just took my breath away.
Oh man, this is crazy. This is awesome.
Oh my God.
I am at loss for words. For one, the soundproofing is making a huge difference because that's gonna make everyone more professional, you know, it's the attention to detail.
The pattern in the floor kind of took me, and it's kind of like those lines that are so long, it's just sort of lead right up to the front of the piano.
And the piano.
Yeah.
The piano. The piano's big.
You like that piano?
I mean, I've heard 3 people already say they want to take piano lessons again. That piano is really beautiful. So I'm just excited to see how it makes people feel appreciated and showcased.
This is the same space?
Same space. Broadway quality curtains. Actually, the company that donated the curtains is the same company that purchased the curtains in 95% of all Broadway shows.
Wow! It's like, wow! It's like, whoa.
When I first walked into the new concert hall, I just felt really inspired.
The amount of color that's in there, it's like just like the music that's gonna play in there. It's really vibrant.
Feels like we're walking into like a real concert setting.
The atmosphere feels a lot more professional. I noticed that there were lights and a projector.
This is awesome.
I can't even say anything. This is so mind-blowing.
I have surprised a lot of amazing people on George Rescue, and I have never met anyone like Sparsha.
If you can believe it, you can achieve it.
I'm 14 years old, and I'm a singer, songwriter, rapper, and inspirational speaker from New Jersey. I have osteogenesis imperfecta. In layman's terms, that's brittle bone disorder. It's a rare and currently incurable genetic disorder. It causes a person's bones to be very fragile. Everyday life is kind of a bit of a challenge because, you never know when something could happen, so you always have to be careful.
Sparsha is determined to change the world, and I want to help him do it. And the best way I can do that is to make it easier for him to do it from the comfort of his own home. Accessibility is a major challenge, but I have some big ideas that'll give Sparsha the freedom to continue inspiring millions.
I'm excited to go in.
You ready? All right, let's do this.
All right.
3, 2, 1.
All right, welcome home.
Whoa.
Oh, wow.
Okay, first impression.
Brick wall right here.
Small things like these, but it just saves us.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh my God!
Mr. Oliphant opened the curtain, and I was just blown. mind blown. I was like, this is the thing that I've been waiting for so long.
Thank you so much for watching that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.